I just got a big box of goodies from Abode. I'm gonna be testing every single piece of Abode equipment and their new smart hub and the whole shebang. And so here's a look at what we got. The sign, so everybody can know Abode is on the job. Oh, my favorite, a classic, the Abode Iota all-in-one. This is a whole smart security kit. I love this one, and I think it's going to be perfect in my current apartment. But we'll see. Oh, and here is the Abode starter kit security system. And this is just the most simplified version of Abode home security. And I have not tested this one before, so this will be enlightening to see how that goes. Oh boy. Oh, this is a sensor that I think goes for like sliding doors and windows and things like that. And so I'm excited to test that out. I've got the Abode wireless doorbell. Oh, my very, very favorite. I'm such a nerd. I love the color light bulbs. So yay, excited to try that out. And this is the recessed contact sensor, I believe. The Abode Cam 2. I haven't tried this one yet either, so that will be fun. Oh, smart plug, another one of my favorites. So I love Abode because it's just a really good blending of smart home and security that's super easy to manage. It's, you know, less intimidating sometimes than bigger systems like Vivint and that might be. And finally, this is the Abode security kit. I wonder if the other one is the smart one. I'll let you know for sure once I dig into this, guys. This is why we're here, to learn together. So this is the other Abode security kit. I think this might be the simplified version, and the smart one might be the starter kit that I showed you earlier. And finally, since I don't have a yard, I have windows. I put this in my window and let everybody know I am protected by Abode. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks. See you soon when I get these goodies set up. I just unboxed a bunch of goodies from Abode, and I'm going to open up these starter kits and take a look at the equipment we've got. There's everything in the box. We've got the same, this is the smart hub here, and we've got the same thing going as the black and white like we are used to seeing like on the Iota and such. We'll get a closer look at these later. And so here we go. And this is the hub for the basic Abode security kit. And yeah, it's got everything you need, just the basics, which is awesome. A nice entry starting point, redundant much, that we can, you know, for getting into security and a little bit of smart home connection too. All right, cool.